Hello guys, good day, welcome to Architects. I'm Architect Jojo. Today, November 19, 2024. So, nandito tayo ulit ngayon sa Congressional Town Center Tower 2. And dahil may nag-request sa atin na i-feature natin yung isa pang one-bedroom unit na straight. So, here we go. Nandito tayo ngayon sa one-bedroom unit dahil before, na-feature natin yung another two types ng ating one-bedroom unit. But this one is the last layout ng ating one-bedroom unit. Alright guys, sasamahan nyo ako dito at puntahan natin yung mga areas nitong ating one-bedroom unit. Let's go! Again, ito yung huli na one-bedroom unit na i-feature natin for today, November 19, 2024. So, upon entering dito sa main door, ito ngayon yung combined na living, dining, and kitchen area. So, hindi lang siya ganun kaliwanag, but yan, kita naman natin yung area ng ating living, dining, and kitchen. So, upon entering, so meron tayo doon na lighting fixtures na nakamount doon sa ating kisame. In here. So, meron lang kaming konting design dito. Nilagyan namin ng accent na ceiling, na tube. Kasi meron tayong tinagong biga dyan. But then, this one, yan yung design ng ating kisame. So, you have here the sidewall na sprinkler. So, yan yung ating fire suppression dito sa area ng ating one-bedroom unit. Now here, dito naman yung area where you can mount your TV dito sa wall na to. Then you can organize yung inyong sofa, then also yung inyong dining table dito sa area na ito. Now this one, ito yung picture ng ating kitchen cabinetry. So ito yung kabuuan ng ating kitchen. So we have here the low counter, then meron din tayong hanging cabinet. So we have here, ito yung area ng ating refrigerator. Then you have here the hanging cabinet. Then also you have here the basin or yung ating lavatory. Now, similar to the bedrooms or unit na napuntahan natin. So under the basin, nandito yung ating grease trap. So you may view or you may check also yung mga na-feature kong mga videos or mga unit na napuntahan na natin. So na-explain ko yung mga laman ng loob nitong ating grease trap or under the basin ng ating lavatory. Now here, so ito yung hanging cabinet natin. So ito yung area ng ating range hood. So dito sa taas, so nandyan yung connections natin para dun sa ating range hood. So ito yung ating power outlet. So you have here the aluminum tube natin o yung pipe natin para sa connection ng ating range hood dito sa area na to. So this one, so we will cut a hole dito para i-fix sa top ng inyong range hood itong ating aluminum tube. Alright? So here, ito yung hindi ko nabubuksan lahat ng cabinetry. So this one, you may check yung other video na i-picture ko. But dito, so similar to the other bedrooms or unit, so nandun yung ating panel board. This one is the area for our microwave oven. So andun yung power outlet niya. Then below is the area of our single tap na washing machine. So you have here the floor drain and yung area natin. Then you have the power. Then you have here, dito ilalagay yung inyong hose beep or yung connection ng inyong water line para supplyan ng water ang inyong washing machine. Alright? So here, from this angle, ito naman yung ating view dito. So, similar to the doon sa pagpasok natin sa main door. So meron din tayo dito naka-fix na ceiling mounted na lighting. So beside it, yun yung ating smoke detector. Now on the other side, ito yung isa pang side wall na sprinkler head natin. Now, this bedroom, meron tayong opening doon sa taas. So para kung nakabukas yung aircon nyo, doon sa inyong room, makapasok din dito sa area ng inyong living, dining, and kitchen area. Then also, it serves also as lighting or natural lighting dito sa area. Now, Moving inside the bedroom, so ito yung profile ng ating bedroom. So here, the tiles, ito yung ating floor finishes, our wall finishes, then also the ceiling finishes dito sa one bedroom unit na ito. Now here, nandito ngayon yung ating mga power outlet para sa ating wall-mounted na TV. Now before that, ito palang ating one bedroom unit. Yung ating pintuan ay sliding door. So here. So meron din siyang locking mechanism dito. Then sa taas niya nandun yung kanyang door trap. Yeah, so easily you can open and close the door of your bedroom. So ito yung profile ng inyong pintuan. Now beside it, nandito yung ating closet where you can organize and place your clothing dito sa ating cabinet. So slide door din siya. Now this one, ito yung profile ng ating cabinet. Now kanina, na-mention ko itong powered outlet na ito. Dito natin ilalagay yung ating TV. Dito you may fix dito sa wall na to, or you may have a small console table para inlagay na lang on top yung inyong TV. Now over here, ito yung wall na kung saan nandito yung inyong headboard ng inyong bed. So you have also here beside, do sa corner na yan, the power outlet and the telephone outlet. Also here, the other side, meron ding power outlet. On the center of it, nandun ngayon yung location ng inyong bed. Now over here, ito naman yung opening ng ating window type aircon. So you have here the power provision para sa inyong window type na aircon and the opening of the window type dito sa area natin. So alisin nyo na lang ito para i-place nyo ang inyong air conditioning unit. Now here, ito naman yung profile ng ating window. So you have here the casement window. So ito yung view dito sa side na to. So this one, itong window natin, lalagyan natin ito ng limiter para lang proteksyon sa mga anak natin dito and also for security reason. So we make sure na may limiter tayo para hindi maging fully opened yung ating casement window. So yun ang purpose natin, kaya kailangan natin i-limit yung angle ng opening ng ating window. Now here, on top, nandito naman yung inyong curtain cove. So you may place your curtain here. Yan, nakakonceal siya. So nakatago yung inyong curtain rod dito sa slot na to. Now overall, ito yung view ng ating one bedroom unit na straight. Ito yung diretsong one bedroom unit natin. Pagpasok mo sa main door, sala na agad, then kusina, then also the dining table. So ito yung palibot ng ating bedroom. Now punta na tayo dun sa huli, which is yung ating water closet, shower area, and lavatory area. So upon entering here, both side, on my right, nandito yung ating water closet. On my left, nandun yung ating shower area. Now, on the middle, andito naman yung ating lavatory. So, on top of the lavatory, nandun yung ating malaking mirror. As you see here in the video. So, nandun pa, naka-reflect pa ako dun sa mirror. Now, ito yung basin natin. Naka-cover lang yung ating gripo. Then also, this one is the basin. Then you have the power outlet dito sa side. Then under the basin or the lavatory, yan yung area natin. So nandun yung slot ng ating area or water supply ng ating water heater, and also the gate valve and also the flexible hose para sa supply ng ating lavatory. So here, maglalagay pa tayo dito ng grease trap. Hindi pa ito nalalagyan ng grease trap. Now, dito naman, the next one is the area of our shower area. So we have here the frosted glass. Yan, siyempre, kaya frosted para hindi tayo see-through habang mag-shower tayo. So likewise, for the other unit, you have here the handle na stainless handle. So dalawa yan. Ganun din, meron din sa loob na handle. So this one is swing in ang lip ng inyong door. So going inside. Now ito yung profile ng ating shower area. So meron na rin siya mga shower fixtures na naka-install dito sa ating wall. So may cover lang siya. Then this one, meron din rin tayong floor tray. And also we have the floor tiles in the area. Now, going here inside, dito naman sa ating water closet area. So makikita nyo dito na ito naman is swing outside. So we need to make it swing outside para hindi siya ma-struck doon sa edge ng ating water closet. So maganda rin to kasi ang lip natin is going outside here para kung lalabas kayo ng toilet, hindi kayo makikita agad sa loob. Kasi kung papunta dito, on this side, so kitang-kita ka kaagad dito sa labas. So at least covered ka. And also, this one is a good swing ng door para dito sa ating water closet area. Now over here, ito naman yung ating water closet area. So meron ka doon pin light sa taas. You have here also the exhaust fan. And this is the profile of our water closet dito sa area na to. So this will be the last area for this one bedroom unit. So let's have a closer look again of the profile of our water closet area, the lavatory area, the shower area, and also the area for the living, dining, and kitchen area, including the sliding door for the bedroom here, closing it, then open it, then this is the profile. Alright, so nakompleto na natin itong straight na one bedroom unit. Alright guys, so nalipot na natin itong ating one bedroom unit. So ito yung pangatlo dun sa nalipot na nating one bedroom unit. At nakompleto na natin lahat ng type ng layout ng ating one bedroom unit. So nalipot natin siya mula dun sa entrance, sa living, dining, and kitchen, and also dun sa bedroom, including the area ng ating lavatory, and also the water closet and shower area. And I hope na nakapagbigay sa inyo ng information itong na-share ko sa inyo dito sa Congressional Town Center Tower 2, one bedroom unit. Alright guys, so till then sa mga next update natin dito sa project na to, subaybayan pa ninyo at magbibigay pa tayo ng more updates sa development ng Congressional Town Center Tower 2. I'm Architect Jojo, joyfully sharing with you what he knows. Thank you very much and God bless you all.